Dear students, most of the students are asking about accounting standard important questions. So today I'm going to give you the important questions in accounting standards. So before going to the questions, please subscribe my channel Anu Computer Education. So in future, whatever the videos I'm going to upload, so you can make use of those videos. So in my channel, I already uploaded the business statistics important questions, so as well as web technologies important questions, along with explanation videos are also uploaded, so you can make use of those videos. So please subscribe my channel Anu Computer Education. So now, without wasting further time, so now we are going to the first question of what do you mean by accounting theory, and write about its features. So this is one of the very so yes, the star questions are very important questions. So what is the objectives of importance and benefits of advantages and limitations of accounting theory? So objectives and importance of accounting theory. So the next question is discuss the role and need of accounting theory. So star questions are very important questions. So the next question is explain the classification of accounting theory. So okay, how many classifications are there? Yeah, that everything you have to explain. Explain the approaches in accounting theory, inductive and okay, deductive methods. So both you have to explain. So next, what do you mean by accounting principles? Explain the different types of accounting concepts and conventions. So these are very important question. So explain the, so these questions will cover both long and short, so that you need to understand here. So explain the accounting standards and state their objectives and need the advantages and limitations. So this is one of the very important questions. So now when it comes to the unit 2, explain, write in detail the structure of India accounting standard 101, the first time adoption of India accounting standard. So this is very important question. And next one is how our financial statement presented under India accounting standard 1. So this you have to explain. So explain the accounting policies, changes in accounting estimates and error of India accounting standard 8 rule you have to explain. So discuss in detail India accounting standard 10 events after balance sheet date. So this is very important question. So explain India accounting standard 24 related party disclosures. So this is under one of the very important questions. Explain the cash flow statements as per India accounting standard 7. So the next, give an overview of India accounting standard 105 non-current assets and held for sale and discontinued operations. So next, explain India accounting standard 108 operating systems, or it is also called as what do you mean by reportable. Explain the standards of requirements of disclosures under the accounting standard 108. So these are unit 2 very important questions. So because the syllabus is more, so that is the reason you are getting the more questions here. So the star questions are very important. Just focus on at least star questions. Explain India accounting standard 34. So this is one of the very important question. So next, when it comes to the unity, explain in detail India accounting standard to inventories. So next, discuss in briefly about Indian accounting standard 11 construction and contracts. So explain India accounting standard 17 lease. So it is one of the important question, as well as short also it is very important. So explain India accounting standard 16 property and plant of equipment. This is one of the very important question. So next, to define revenue and explain in detail about India as accounting standard 18 revenue. So this is one of the very important question. So explain in detail about accounting standard 20 accounting government and grants and disclosures of government assistance. So explain the India accounting standard 23 borrowing cost. So explain the India as 38 intangible assets. So these are very important questions. So just make use of these questions. And next, when it comes to the unit number 4, write in detail India accounting standard 28 investment and associated the joint ventures and joint operations. So this is one of the very important question. Accounting, explain the India accounting standard 103 business combinations. So it is also one of the very important questions you need to write. So explain, write in detail about India accounting standard 311 joint arrangements. And next, write in detail structure and disclosures interest and other entities. Next, in detail about this. So these are 50 questions. So these are only 5 questions which are given in unit number 4. So when it comes to the unit number 5, what is financial report? So very important question, and what are the objectives and importance of financial reporting? So what is the financial reporting, benefits and limitations of financial reporting, and discuss the True Blood report USA and objectives of True Blood report. So next, explain the corporate report UK, and what is one of the important question, explain the recent developments in financial reporting objectives, and what is stamp report of Canada, and what are the objectives of stamp report of financial report. So this is one of the very important questions. So when it is comes to the short answer, okay, write that various qualities and financial report is one of the very important question. So next, explain the recent trends in corporate reporting in India. So only 2-3 short questions I'm giving, so just make use of this question: discounting operations, adjusting events, and joint controls, and what is ASOBAT. So these are only 4. So only few problems I'm giving, short problems. Just practice these problems. India accounting standard 7 cash flow statements, one small problems you have to practice, and whatever the 4 questions which I'm giving here, short problems, these are the short questions. Please practice the problems on these topics related concepts. Okay, so please subscribe my channel Anu Computer Education to get further updates.